Alrighty guys, we got the Sun Joe 12.6 inch 12 amp electric scarifier and Dethatcher. Show you how to put it together, right? So, grab your favorite box opening utensil, open the box, let's see what's inside. Alrighty, I see trash. Okay, bagger attachment, that's nice. It's always nice to have those. Instructions. Okay. Let's see, more trash. Okay. Yeah, some arms. There's gonna be arms. And let's see, more trash. Yep, more trash. And yep, more trash. Oop. Awesome. Looks like installation or assembly is going to be real easy. Oops. More handle. And the item itself. Oops. I almost said with more trash underneath, but that's actually the piece that I want. So let's get her set up here, ready to use. Okay, with everything out of the box, it's time to start putting it together. You're gonna take your one arm, and it's not gonna matter which one it is because they're both gonna be the same. The one with the bend in it. Doesn't matter right or left because they're gonna be interchangeable. But you got a hole here, you got a hole there. Just gotta get those lined up. So give her a nice little pound. And put your washer onto your screw. And then get her started into the hole. Helps if you get it lined up right, but there you go. You're going to do the same thing to the other side, guys. Just get that pushed in there. Get your screw on. And with the bottom ones in, it's time to do your middle ones. So, let me put that in my pocket before I lose it. You're going to take one of your thumb screws and your bolt. You're going to put this thing, this has got a square hole in it, and this has a square on the top of it. So you're just going to push that through there. And the picture showed the thumb screws on the outside. So you're just going to slide that right through and tighten that thumb screw down. And you're going to do the same to the opposite side. Slide that in. Make sure that the square is in the square. Slide her through from the inside. Put the thumb screw on the outside. Simple enough, right? And then for the top, let's move this forward a little bit so I don't have to move. For the top one, let's go ahead and put that screw through there. Same thing as below. It's a square up here. There's a square on the bolt, so it just slides through. Slide her into there. And get your thumb screw tightened down. And do the same for the other side. Okay, now you're just going to take your cord here, you're going to put your clip on it, and then you're just going to attach your clip right to the, oopsie, right to the metal frame of the handle. And I wanted that to be down a little further. Want this one to be up a little higher. So slide the wire into the smaller part of the clip, and then slide the clip onto the arm. Let's fix this bottom one here, because I didn't want that. I want all that extra down there at the bottom. That way it doesn't create a stress point down there where the majority of it will be bending if I hold it up too far. So she's together. All you gotta do now, plug her in, you're ready to go. We'll run through here quick. Putting the grass catcher on. Just like every other grass catcher. Knob. Pull your door open. And there's a nice little place there to set your nubs on. And then just sit her down. She'll catch your grass for you. To adjust the depth that you're going, all the way down on this arm is up in the air. So if you want to go deeper into the ground, which that's what I'm going to do, push in on the handle, slide her up to where you want her. I'm taking her to -10. So there's -10, -5, 0, +5, and +10. Not sure why you would use the +10, because that seems like it's not even going to graze the surface. So take mine down to -10, just push in, slide that to where you want it, and then your depth is set. You're ready to go. Son Joe made that nice and easy for you. Hope you found this useful. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more useful tips, at least hopefully useful tips. Bye.